Seyi Tinubu Initiative has launched the Drug Bank for Indigent Patients project aimed at distributing essential medications to 60 tertiary institutions nationwide. The scheme was flagged off at the College Hospital in Ibadan as part of effort to curb the rising cases of maternal and infant mortality. Senior reporter Olaide Oyewole has more in this report.
According to the World Health Organization, for every 1,000 beds in Nigeria, 55 deaths were recorded as of 2023, while 1,047 maternal deaths were recorded in 100,000 live beds as of 2020. Concerned about the rising numbers, the Seyi Tinubu Initiative is flagging off its maternal and child health intervention scheme.
So for this, the drug bank are going to be domiciled in 2 departments mainly, the O&G pharmacy unit and the pediatric pharmacy unit. And for so far what we have seen, we have no doubt that the intervention is going to be properly managed here by the special grace of God. And it's a revolving scheme. So we have intimated the hospital management that as soon as they start using the drug, they should also start sending us a list of what they need so that they can be adequately supplied promptly.
The essential medications were handed over to the management of the University College Hospital, Ibadan.
People pay out of pocket, for medical care. So in this case, you don't need to have money in your pocket. Supplies of drugs, supplies of consumables are there for the doctor to use immediately to administer care and save lives. And this we're doing, like you've heard, in 60 tertiary hospitals across Nigeria. This is the number 4th place we're launching this initiative. We're leaving directly from here to Lut, where we're going to be launching the same initiative today.
Well, we all know, and that is why we are commending this initiative, because we know people that are paying out of pocket and people that cannot afford medications, they are increasing every day. You have to waive a lot of bills. With this initiative, that means for emergency drug, we have access to it. And that is why we are embracing it wholeheartedly, and we appreciate this group for what they are doing.
Earlier, the team also launched a scholarship scheme providing 1 million grants to doctors in the pediatrics residency program in preparation for their final fellowship examination. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.
Meanwhile, the 2024 ICAN conference has ended with a gala night, which provided an opportunity for participants to unwind. Helen Osamidekins reports.
This was the mood of participants at the gala night of ICAN conference. This event signals the close of the conference. The atmosphere allowed participants to unwind. The week-long conference saw different speakers highlight different issues as it affects the nation and the accounting profession. Participants took turns to give an overview of the conference.
We've had series of sessions, plenary sessions, and its governance reimagined. So we've been able to come together and discuss the way forward for the nation in different aspects, different sectors, not only in accounting profession alone. We've talked about entrepreneurship, how to diversify the economy, and some other sectors we can look into to make sure that our economy grows back again to what is expected.
My expectation here that the topic is governance reimagined. That is, we are talking about how also accountants also can come in this country without any issues. We hold the what? The account aspect holds the what? The key of this country, in which the financial aspect also lies in the accountant's hands, whereby everything about the economics lies on accountant's hands.
As participants look forward to the 2025 edition of the conference, they share their expectations.
Next year, I'm expecting them to have a robust environment so that people will sit down and enjoy themselves. That's just it.
Looking forward that next year it will be a better one, that it will be a global accounting, not just a national, but it will be a kind of a global recognition. I know we have a global recognition already, but my expectation for next year that it will be more renowned.
The annual Accountants Conference organized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria is a convergence of accounting professionals in Nigeria where they discuss industry trends, developments and issues related to accounting, finance and economic growth. Helen Osamide Ekins, TVC News, Abuja.